Mastering Your Finances, 12 Powerful Tips for Financial Success. Welcome, finance enthusiasts. Mastering Your Finances, 12 Powerful Tips for Financial Success. In this video, we'll share a comprehensive set of tips and strategies to help you take control of your financial life. Whether you're looking to save more, invest wisely, or make better banking decisions, we've got you covered. I'm Tom, your guide to unlocking the secrets of financial success. Tip number 1. Budgeting like a pro. Learn how to create a budget that works for you. We'll walk you through the process of tracking your income and expenses, setting financial goals, and making informed spending decisions. Discover budgeting techniques that can help you save more, pay off debt, and achieve financial stability. Tip number 2. Building an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected surprises, and having an emergency fund is crucial. We'll discuss the importance of setting aside money for unforeseen circumstances and provide practical steps to establish and grow your emergency fund. Be prepared for any financial curveball that comes your way. Tip number 3. Crushing your debt. Debt can be a significant burden on your financial well-being. We'll explore effective strategies for paying off debt, including the snowball and avalanche methods. Discover how to regain control over your finances by reducing and eliminating debt systematically. Tip number 4. Maximizing your savings. Saving money is a key component of financial success. We'll share tips on how to optimize your savings, from automating deposits and using high-yield savings accounts to taking advantage of employer-matched retirement plans. Learn how to make your money work harder for you. Tip number 5. Investing for the future. Investing is a powerful wealth-building tool. We'll demystify the world of investing and provide guidance on different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and index funds. Discover how to develop an investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Tip number 6. Making smart banking choices. Choosing the right bank and banking products can make a significant difference in your financial journey. We'll discuss factors to consider when selecting a bank, such as fees, interest rates, and convenience. Learn how to leverage banking services to optimize your finances. Tip number 7. Mastering credit cards. Credit cards can be valuable financial tools when used wisely. We'll provide tips for managing credit cards responsibly, including understanding interest rates, avoiding debt traps, and maximizing rewards programs. Discover how to harness the benefits of credit cards without falling into the pitfalls. Tip number 8. Protecting your financial future. Safeguarding your financial future is essential. We'll discuss the importance of insurance, such as health, life, and property insurance, and how it can protect you from unforeseen expenses. Learn how to assess your insurance needs and make informed coverage decisions. Tip number 9. Planning for retirement. Retirement may seem far away, but it's never too early to start planning. We'll explore retirement savings options, including 401k plans, IRAs, and pension plans. Discover how to set realistic retirement goals and develop a plan to achieve the lifestyle you desire in your golden years. Tip number 10. Educating yourself financially. Financial education is key to making informed decisions. We'll share resources, books, and websites that can enhance your financial knowledge. Learn about personal finance concepts, investment strategies, and the latest trends in the financial world. Tip number 11. Setting financial goals. Having clear financial goals is essential for your long-term success. We'll guide you through the process of setting realistic and measurable goals that align with your values and aspirations. Discover how to break down your goals into actionable steps and track your progress along the way. Tip number 12. Cultivating a wealth mindset. Your mindset plays a crucial role in your financial journey. We'll explore strategies to cultivate a wealth mindset, including positive affirmations, visualization, and gratitude practices. Learn how to overcome limiting beliefs and develop a mindset that attracts abundance and financial success. Congratulations on completing our journey to financial mastery. By implementing these 12 powerful tips, you're well on your way to achieving financial success. Remember, it's a continuous journey of learning and growth. Share this video with others who are ready to take control of their finances and join the community of financially empowered individuals. The tips and strategies discussed in this video are for informational purposes only. Individual financial situations may vary, and it's important to assess your specific circumstances and consult with a qualified financial advisor for personalized advice. Thanks for watching.